Hey everyone, this is Dan from New Mexico Rocketry Reviews, and today's model rocket review is on the Estes Quinstar. Unfortunately, we didn't get any footage of the build because this rocket was already built before we started this YouTube channel. Nevertheless, we got some awesome video footage, some awesome slow-mos, and drone footage. So, here are some tech specs. The Estes Quinstar is currently $21.99 on the Estes official website. It is rated as an advanced build and will take about 2 hours to build. This rocket is definitely not a beginner rocket and should be built after you know the basics of sanding, filleting, and gluing. It fits an Estes C60 or B60 motor and has a projected maximum altitude of 150 feet or 46 meters. It has a diameter of 8 inches but is only 3 inches high, giving it a look of a flying saucer in the shape of a star, and it has a tumble recovery or spin. We will discuss that a bit more later. Alright, let's talk about some pros of the rocket. The build is difficult, but it is very fun. The design of the rocket is absolutely fantastic. It is completely made out of balsa wood except for the engine mount and the launch lug, which makes it very sturdy, but we do not recommend that you launch on a hard surface because it may get damaged when it lands. In my opinion, the coolest thing about this rocket is how it spins. While it is ascending, it will spin on its way up, and on its way down it will also spin, which will also act as a recovery system for the rocket. This means that it does not have a parachute or shock cord, and it just floats down to the ground. This is especially useful because you do not have to pack the parachute or the recovery wadding again. Instead, you can stick another engine into the rocket and watch it go off. There aren't many cons to this rocket, although we have encountered one problem. Sometimes it doesn't spin while ascending, descending, or both. This is due to the fact that the rocket doesn't go very high, so it doesn't have enough time to start spinning on the way up or down. But not to worry, this does not affect the recovery or landing of the rocket, and when we recover it, it has been perfectly intact. Here are some tips and tricks to make your rocket better. As you can see, we added additional wood covers to make the rocket more aerodynamic. Just make an outline with a pencil and cut pieces using the leftover balsa from your fins. Another cool trick is to fill and seal the wood. Use wood filler, mix it with water, and brush the balsa in direction of the grain. I put a link in the description to a good tutorial on how to do that. Not only will that make your rocket go higher, it will make it a lot nicer and the rocket will be more stable. Also, make sure that you fill every single one of the corners and creases. There are a lot, so this may take a while. Next up is the video footage. In conclusion, this rocket is super cool and has a really fun build. However, we wouldn't recommend this for first-time rocketeers. It is a super fun design and build, and it will guarantee some oohs and ahs from onlookers. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. We hope you found the video helpful, and if you do decide to build this rocket, make sure you comment below. If you'd like to support us, check out our Patreon in the description. And if you want to buy this rocket, we've left a link in the description for you. There is a card for the music video of this rocket in this upper right hand corner. And have a great day.